In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Cash App card with Google Pay. If you want an easy way to pay using your phone, linking your Cash App card to Google Pay is the perfect solution. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure you have an activated Cash App card. You'll need this to add it to Google Pay. Now, if you don't know how to activate your Cash App card, I'll leave a link to a video in the description down below where I explain that. Once you're in the Cash App, tap on the card icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your Cash App card settings. Next, you'll see an option to add to Google Pay. Tap on it and it will prompt you to link your Cash App card with Google Pay. Now, Google Pay will automatically open and guide you through the steps to add your Cash App card. Just follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your card details and verify your information. Once your card is linked, you can use Google Pay for payments in store. Just open the Google Pay app, select your Cash App card, and hold your phone near the payment terminal until it confirms the transaction. You can also use your Cash App card with Google Pay for online purchases. Just select Google Pay at checkout and make sure your Cash App card is selected as payment method. If you run into any issues, double check that your Cash App card is activated and that your Cash App and Google Pay apps are both up to date. You may also want to re-add your card if needed. And that's it. Now you can use your Cash App card with Google Pay for all your payments, whether you're using it in store or whether you're using it online. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and drop any questions if you have them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.